Hi, this is Chris Lopez from Mountain View, looking at using Google Sheets to track student progress. As we are looking at different ways, there might be different things that you need to track about a student, and Google Sheets can put that in a place where whether you're working at school or working at home, you would have access to where you're putting all of these things, because there's some things that our grading system might not necessarily have a space for that you still want to know for your students. For example, are they coming to your Zooms every day? If they're not coming to the Zooms, is that perhaps why then they're not doing as well on their assignments? So using something like Google Sheets, it can track everything for you. And I have this one set up so that it is color-coded using conditional formatting. Oops, in here, conditional formatting. And that lets me know different information about the students, knowing what day of the week they did something, which was useful in the spring. Another thing that you could use to track students' information would be to look at standards and how they're doing or how they're doing for a specific skill. And I have this set up, and it uses a badge system that's created by Flippity, and it would create actually visuals for me for each of the students to see how they're doing. And then taking a look on different tabs, it then focuses on the actual activities that the students completed, how that linked to the skill that they were working on, to then link back to everything that they needed to learn within a unit. So those are two ways that you can use. So you can have something that's more complex that has different sheets that then link back to a whole. You can have, my other example was looking at per week, what were students doing specifically in that week. And to help with compare and communication, if you have something that comes up, having all of your information in one spot can be very useful.